Hello everyone, welcome to the channel Howtodiscover. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the problem of Instagram user not found. For this, you have to open your Instagram app. Let me tell you first that there are two reasons. First, the person you are searching might blocked you or disabled his or her account. The second thing is the person whom you are searching is blocked by you. For the second reason, you have to click on the profile icon at the bottom and click on the three lines at the above and go to the settings. There is the option of privacy. Now you have to click on the blocked accounts. You can see that I do not have any blocked account. If you block the person you are searching, the account of his or her is shown there. So you have to first unblock his or her account and then you should search it. This another reason is you have to come back and try to log in your Instagram ID with your phone number or with your password. First, you should log out and again log in by adding your phone number or email. If you are still not be able to find the person's ID, so it means that Instagram has deleted the person from your ID. So you have to reinstall the Instagram app or you have to make a brand new Instagram account. Then you should get the person you are searching. I hope you understand the video. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.